Is the cryptocurrency industry facing a reckoning? Today, we delve into the events leading to the collapse of FTX, a once promising crypto exchange, and the ripple effects this has had on the industry. It all started with Sam Bankman-Fried, the co-founder of FTX, who borrowed over $500 million from his hedge fund to purchase a stake in Robinhood. His move, however, was not without controversy. His business partner, Gary Wang, pleaded guilty to fraud and conspiracy, casting a shadow over FTX. As if that wasn't enough, Bankman-Fried's stake in Robinhood became a hotly contested issue. Multiple entities, including the lending platform BlockFi, began suing Bankman-Fried for the Robinhood shares. This was the first sign of trouble brewing in the crypto paradise. The situation further escalated when Democratic Senators Elizabeth Warren and Dick Durbin demanded comprehensive financial records from FTX. Allegations of greed, deception, and potential financial misconduct began to surface, leading to congressional hearings and a proposed class action lawsuit. The collapse of FTX seemed inevitable. Meanwhile, the cryptocurrency industry was spiraling into turmoil. Other companies, including Genesis and BlockFi, felt the repercussions of the FTX collapse. Questions were raised about the transfer of customer funds to a sister hedge fund, raising suspicions of financial misconduct. But the final nail in the coffin was the legal issue with Tier Capital Partners, a cryptocurrency hedge fund headquartered in Geneva. Accused of poor management and disregard of investor warnings, the firm faced a raid by Swiss prosecutors. This was based on an investor's claims about damages connected to the FTX collapse. In a dramatic turn of events, an investment fund named TGT began dissolving its portfolio, taking possession of Tier's assets. This included a substantial $22 million lawsuit against the Bitcoin exchange FTX. TGT, which aggregates resources from multiple sources such as the cryptocurrency wealth management platform Yield app, became a significant player in the unfolding drama. In summary, the collapse of FTX has been a result of a series of missteps, allegations, and legal battles. The repercussions have been felt across the cryptocurrency industry, shaking investor confidence and raising questions about the future of cryptocurrencies. As the dust settles, the industry is left to ponder the implications of this collapse and whether it is a sign of a more significant crisis looming on the horizon.